What is up, everybody? So today we are doing a Hydro Dip fidget spinner versus a
genuine fidget spinner. For all you who wants me to dumb it out, it's a normal fidget spinner.
Yes, for all of you dummies out there, I guess you could say.
Let's start out with the similarities.
So the similarities are they both spin, and they're both called a fidget spinner or hand-eye coordination for you people that were all of those old school people. Okay, so
you can't go wrong with the fidget spinner. Hey, we did another video about the fidget cube and the fidget spinner. If you haven't seen it, his fidget spinner. And I'm in the background just messing with him. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Oh, that almost fell.
Yes, it almost fell down the giant balcony. So, let's go differences. No, you can come in the frame. Oh my god, alright, he's dumb. So, mine is Hydro Dipped. In looks test, I would win, everyone. It's my baseball team colors.
To the girl you like. That's the new one.
Yep. No, just kidding. It just looks better and looks. And so another pro of mine is if you regular spray paint instead of Hydro Dip. Some people call these water marbling. I know someone in my class calls it that. Blah blah blah. I don't know what the heck water marbling is. It's not even marbles.
It's marble, not marble. Oh, did you say
it's marbling. It's called Hydro Dipping. I might do a DIY with another fidget spinner.
Oh my gosh, I just hit myself in the face. Hey, hang on, bro. He talks about this for the cons, the bad things about the fidget spinner. I just hit myself in the face. Go check out the fidget cube video and fidget spinner. I'm glad you talked about that.
So, if I can. Alright. Mine, it has a regular bearing like this in the middle. Okay, in the middle. Here, come into here. Here, toss me yours. His, let me pop the thing out. Oh, freaking gosh, dang it. Let me go get a toothbrush. He'll entertain you guys.
Yay. Here, I've got a trick shot with a fidget cube and a fidget spinner. Oh, no. Ready? Okay, I'm going to take this up here. Okay. Watch.
What are you doing?
No.
It's going to fall down there.
Ball, put it back.
No. Okay. I just now got it. That was for while we were waiting. So.
Oh, it wasn't. It was like.
It was to me. He disagrees with me. For all of you realistic people out there, agree with me.
I'm not playing with the fidget cube right now.
Yes, indeed you are. I thought you said you hate
that out of the
fidget
video.
cube. Yes, this is not a fidget cube video. So let me use this thingy right here, a fingernail clip thing. You just now dropped a fidget spinner on my back. I am gonna kill myself again. Alright, pop this up.
Okay, what he's trying to say is my bearing, you can't get out of my fidget spinner. His, it's easier to get out.
No, that's not what I'm gonna say.
Well, that's what I thought you were gonna
say. That's what you did. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. It's getting stuck like this. There we go. Okay, so this is what my fidget spinner is like inside the bearing right here. Ow! You just now threw that at me. Then this one, it's these. Ow! What the heck is wrong with you? God! These you can't spin without the caps on. That's a con of, oh my god.
Yes, I can. Watch. Hang on.
You mean you can't?
Get the cap.
You can't.
I need the other cap off. Don't take it off.
You need the other cap off, but you can't. Boy. You can't because the other one goes in where your fingers can't reach.
You were supposed to be talking about your cons.
No, I'm not talking about cons. I'm talking about differences, boy.
Okay, now it's my turn of the debate. Get out of here.
So, alright. Oh, what the heck?
Okay, it's my turn to debate. So I say, really, it works better. Mine hit.
Where the heck did I need my cap?
Mine hit more time than his did, and his rust. Mine doesn't. Amazon.
Well, actually, yours didn't get water in it, did it?
I know.
Exactly. You got You did not.
Yeah, that's the whole video. That's what it's about, because you hydrated it.
I didn't put water in it. I took the bearings out. I got water in it after.
I know. But still, mine works.
I mean before.
Okay, mine's just...
I think it's a 20-second difference, people. Mine's, if you hydrate a bit, it only takes away 20 seconds.
He actually took away, like, a few minutes, like 1 minute, but
No, it was actually 20 seconds. If you remember the scores, yours lasted 3 to 4 minutes, so did mine. It takes away 20 seconds.
We'll debate about this later at a video. Okay. This is just better. Instead of just trying to make it yourself like he did, just order it on Amazon. It'll just come out better quality. It's better quality than Five Below.
Five Below, but you can turn it into something like this. This is one of a kind. People, you actually cannot get it, these two colors with the mix like this. You actually can't. I've searched up for it. You can't, people.
What if I make it?
Well, you homemade it. You didn't order it off like you were saying. Ha ha ha.
Okay.
Ooh, glare. No glare. Glare. No glare. Glare.
Okay.
No glare. Oh, God.
Okay, I'll try to entertain you. Well, Bo will entertain you while I talk to him in the background and you won't hear me.
Oh, shoot.
Okay?
That's how you entertain people, by making them dizzy by spinning the camera around? What the heck is wrong with you? You're going to make them sick.
Okay, Bo. Talk to them and listen to me. We're going to show them a sneak peek of our base sports video.
No, we are not going to show them.
Yes, we are.
We are not going to.
Views, do it, don't we?
Yeah, we'll get more views if it's a surprise, people.
Well, then I'll send this over to the video. Okay, later we're going to make a video called Base Wars. And what we do is we stick in our little base.
What happened to no sneak peeks?
Oh, yeah. Who cares? We sit in the little base we make.
I need to take a bag and put it over his head and suffocate him.
He's been playing too much Watch Dogs.
No, I have not.
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys.
No. I need to do the outro. Okay. So, today... Oh, wait, no, not right now. Tonight. It's, what time is it? Hey, Mom, Dad, what time is it? Never mind.
It's like 9 o'clock.
No, it's like 9 o'clock around. It's all from me. Okay? So, thank you for watching. So, if you guys think which one is better, this one is obviously better. Okay? Alright. We gotta go. Bye.